Hey friends, it is the day that we are leaving for Keto Con. Sort of. Our flight leaves at 12:45 a.m. tomorrow, but we have to leave our house tonight to get to the airport. So we are doing the red eye thing, which is a lot, but what I'm hoping for is that since I have trouble sleeping when I'm away from home, I thought maybe if I stay up all night the very first night, I will be tired enough that I'll start sleeping. And the rest of the nights I will sleep better. So we will see if that works out as I hope. So it's 5 p.m. We have to head towards the airport, like 10:30 tonight. So I still have a little while to get ready. I'm going to pack some snacks for the airport. My dad is picking us up from the airport. He lives in Texas. We're flying into Dallas, DFW, and he's going to pick us up. We're going to get to see him and go out to breakfast and maybe take a nap at his house if we need it. And then we're actually borrowing one of his cars to drive down to Austin. So tomorrow it will be a busy day, but we'll have a nice little rest there, or if we need to, at my dad's house. So that is the plan, but I needed some snacks for the plane and for the trip. So I'm just going to show you what I'm packing in my bag for the plane ride. So here's my keto goodie shelf that I've shown you in my other pantry video. All right, I always take some olives. Maybe I'll grab 2 of those. And then these bars I really like. They have grown on me. I'm going to take, that's my last one of that kind. And I have this box of the salted caramel, but I don't really like the salted caramel. The ones with the chocolate chips are the best. The peanut butter chocolate chip one, the absolute best. Okay, got to take some carnivore crisps. I'm going to take a chicken skin. And then let me see. Let me take one other one. Brisket. I kind of want to take just a small bag. I don't know if I need a whole big bag. Maybe eye of round. No, I'm going to take bison. I like bison. We'll do that. So a couple bags there, some olives, a bar. I already have a chomp stick in my bag, so that will be fine. I will take this. My husband might eat this. He loves these. That'll be plenty. I also am going to take some of my goodies with me for treats. These are the birthday cake keto cracked. They're so good. I'm going to throw a couple in, not just for the plane ride, but just to have while I'm there if I need it. And then I also have these chipmunk goodies. I got these individually wrapped keto cookies, and I thought those would be nice for the trip. Let me see. Which ones do I want to take? All right, I'm going to take a cinnamon snickerdoodle. I'm going to take a toasted coconut, and I am going to take a chocolate chip pecan. I think 3 is probably enough. We're going to be gone a whole week, so I don't know. I think I'll throw in a peanut butter one as well. So those will be nice for quick and easy travel snacks. There we go. Izzy, I'm gonna miss you while I'm gone. I'm gonna miss you so bad. Oh, and Bubs heard me too. I'm gonna miss you too, Bubbles. What are you doing? I'm gonna miss you so much, Bubbles. Are you gonna take care of the farm while I'm gone? You're gonna protect the chickens and not attack them? Yes. You say, yes, Mama. Yes, Mama. That's a good boy. Baba, you be a good boy while I'm gone. You take care of everybody, okay? Oh, I'm gonna miss you so bad. I'm gonna miss you so bad. It's 10 p.m. and we are headed to the airport. Oh, Baba. And Baba's headed to sleep. He's very tired.
It's been a long time since I've flown at all. I'm trying to remember the last time I flew. Summer, August 2006 would be the last time I flew. Wow. We'll see. It's begun.
Yep, that's what we're doing. Are you gonna get any sleep tonight?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You sleep on planes?
Sure.
Oh wow, look at this. There is no one here. We're gonna go right through. How wonderful. Your athletic greens is not gonna make it through security. Uh-oh. Are you contemplating the meaning of life?
Considering what kind of wood this is.
What's your best guess? So pretty. Maple. Alright.
Is this keto approved?
This is keto approved. They didn't even put...
There's
Oh wait,
croutons.
no, there's croutons. You can have my croutons. I didn't see the croutons at first
see some
because they were
fruit on
hiding.
there.
Yeah, the avocado. Avocado
Tomato.
is and a tomato. They're keto approved fruits. Those wings look amazing. And coleslaw too. That's a good meal right there. We got some time. We should go see a movie. What are they playing? Huh? Movie madness. Oh, does it say what they're playing? Nope.
We were famous as canine alpinists. By now, it was rumored that I had climbed the summit 200 times. I loved to climb, but my brother Laddie was not as enthusiastic. So I often heard about it.
Bucky!
Meat's decent quality. It's pretty good.
Yeah. Oh, cheese cups. Love me some cheese cups. Ooh, pickles and olives. Oh, they got a lot of good stuff. Now we are in the original Whole Foods. Ooh, look at all this Waterloo. Oh, what is this supposed to be? Must be a... Oh, butterflies. That's so cute. The first Whole Foods is enormous.